All right, just got the Ridge Forged Ember model in the mail. Just wanted to unbox it and show everyone kind of what it looks like if you're interested or in the market for a Ridge wallet or a similar type. Maybe it sways your opinion on which one to go with. Yeah, so just ripping off the plastic from it. I'll just read kind of what it says here on the back. Carry less, live more. The Ridge wallet is designed to streamline how you carry and organize your cards and cash. Features: expands to hold 1 to 12 cards, which is nice. RFID blocking, modular design, backed by a lifetime warranty. We create everyday essentials to a standard you don't see every day. This wallet is no exception. All right, and obviously, once again, this is the Forged Ember bundle, the wallet redefined. All right, now to open this, get in on this packet, make sure to open it correctly. Okay, looks like it opens from the top. Okay. Seems to be like a small little pamphlet. Carbon, stronger, lighter, thinner. Performance tested. Bevel edged, matte finish, 1.6 ounce frame. Alright, kind of the directions there, and then the guarantee. And to add money to the money clip to current cash strap wallet, you have to unscrew 3 to 4 screws on the right hand side of the front plate with the logo. Slide the money clip in between the outer and inner plates until it sits fully in the indentations located on the right hand side of the inner plate. Tighten down the outer plate to secure the money clip, and you'll be able to put money to the Ridge wallet. And obviously, if you want to use the cash strap, you can interchange them, which is a nice feature. All right, so within the box, looks like they give you a little decal here. That's your thing. All right, here's the screwdriver. Let me just pull out the wallet for a sec. Little screwdriver so you can swap between the cash strap, and the money clip. Some additional screws. Okay. Here's the money clip, obviously. Little Ridge logo. Alright, look at that there. And then here's the actual cash strap. Okay. And kind of the main point here, here's the Forged Ember model. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but yeah, there it goes. You can kind of see it's reflective. Forged carbon fiber. There's the Ridge logo. There's the screws they mentioned earlier. There's the cash strap. That's probably the one I'll stick with. To strap cash on the outside if I ever do have some. And obviously there's an arrow here. Just push it, and you'll be able to access cards. I'm guessing these are like dummy ones. Yeah. Very cool. It just pops right out. And this says, we build quality products that simplify and streamline daily life. Our minimalist designs provide maximum utility, letting you do more with less, and in turn redefine the everyday essentials. And obviously there's social media accounts there. Carry less, live more. Yeah. Here's a closer look at the wallet. Once again, this is the Forged Ember model. Put all your credit cards in there, and then I opted for the cash strap. You can choose which one you prefer, obviously. All right, I'm kind of stoked to try this out and see how it goes. All right, obviously you can see it expands here to kind of carry your cards. I just put my finger in there to show you the stretch. All right, cool. I'll end it here. Like, comment, subscribe. If you got any questions, go ahead and post down below. I'll try to answer them. I'm kind of looking forward to ditching the old wallet for this, so kind of a neat upgrade. And they have a 15% coupon you can use on their website, so take advantage of that. All right, peace.